A local boy is recovering tonight after what his mom says was an extremely traumatic experience. She says he escaped his kidnappers, and 2 men have been arrested. The 14-year-old from Bald Knob managed to escape the men after his mom, Ashley Jolly, says he was driven around and held at gunpoint.
That's when they'd sit down and caught him when he was walking to go to the park to play basketball. They'd sit down the road. They knew where he lived, and they'd sit down the road at the Baptist church waiting.
They're accused of offering him a ride to a basketball court and then locking the car doors once he was inside.
And when he walked over there, they asked him what he was doing, and he told them he was going to the park to play basketball. And they said, well, get in. They'd give him a ride to the park. So when he got in the car, they continued to turn left and head towards the overpass, which is the wrong way to the park. And that's when he asked, what was they doing? Where were they taking him? And they said that that's when the hunter turned around, put his hand on the lock, and told him to sit back and shut up, and took off to Bald Knob, the back way to Bald Knob.
The incident is said to have stemmed from a school bus altercation days prior, in which a girl said he hit her. His mom shared with us video from the bus showing the girl slapping him.
So the girl got mad and got up and started just slapping him. Well, she went home and told her family that Gunner hit her back. But in the video, you can clearly see that Gunner never touches her, and her brother, who is a big boy, is sitting in the seat right behind him. So if Gunner had even hit her, the brother would have been right there.
It was after this that Jolly says he was taken from near his home.
And that's when they pulled up at the house in Bald Knob. That's when the whole crowd of all them people came out there, and the mother was talking crazy. It was just a lot. Like, they were just saying crazy things to a 14-year-old, telling him how they would hurt him, and some of them had guns, and said that they were in a gang, the Bald Knob Bloods.
Jolly says her son expressed regret about running instead of facing them, but she told him he was outnumbered and unarmed, and she's grateful he's alive.
When you feel like somebody's trying to take your life, and you're a kid by a bunch of grown-ups, and you see weapons and stuff, and talk of gangs, it's kind of scary.
We reached out to Bald Knob's chief of police for comment. He said while the 2 men have been arrested and are preliminarily charged, the case is still under investigation. The boy's mother says law enforcement is taking the case very seriously, and they are moving swiftly on it. In Bald Knob, I'm Tara Thomas.